He revolutionized the world of technology before the age of 30. By the time others are still finding their way, he had already founded a company and become president of Y Combinator, the world's most prestigious startup incubator. Sam Altman, the name behind OpenAI, is shaping the future with artificial intelligence. But who is this visionary who could become the next trillionaire on the planet? From a curious and tech-savvy childhood in St. Louis, Missouri, to leading breakthroughs that defy reality, Altman's trajectory is one of ambition and innovation. In the heart of Silicon Valley, he has turned bold ideas into tangible realities, challenging the status quo and redefining what's possible. OpenAI, under his direction, is not just a company. It's a movement that promises to revolutionize industries and transform the lives of billions. Did you know that the artificial intelligence developed by Altman can diagnose diseases even before a doctor suspects it? And that he's using AI to fight climate change? What will be the next steps for this tech genius? And how does he plan to use his growing power to shape a future that benefits everyone? Stay tuned as we explore the mind and accomplishments of Sam Altman, the man who is rewriting the future. 1. Origin and formation of Sam Altman. Sam Altman was born in St. Louis, Missouri in 1985. From an early age, he showed a remarkable aptitude for technology and programming. Raised in an environment that valued education, he began programming as a child. By the age of 16, he was already developing applications and demonstrating an exceptional talent for understanding and creating innovative technologies. His passion for technology led him to study computer science at Stanford University, where he deepened his knowledge and began to build a network of influential contacts. At Stanford, Altman not only soaked up academic knowledge but also immersed himself in Silicon Valley's vibrant startup ecosystem. His insatiable curiosity and his ability to think outside the box made him stand out among his peers. During his short tenure at Stanford, he co-founded Looped, a mobile location startup that received significant funding from prominent investors. This early success was a harbinger of things to come, showing the world that Altman had what it took to be a successful innovator. Although he dropped out of Stanford to focus on his pursuits, the formal education and experiences gained there were instrumental in shaping his vision of the future. Altman developed a deep understanding of the intersection of technology and business, which would become crucial in his subsequent journey. His academic background, combined with a curious and entrepreneurial mind, paved the way for his meteoric rise in the tech world. 2. Early career and success in Y Combinator. After initial success with Looped, Sam Altman was invited to join Y Combinator, one of the most prestigious startup accelerators in the world. At Y Combinator, Altman quickly made a name for himself as a mentor and visionary leader. He has played a crucial role in supporting early-stage startups, providing strategic guidance, and helping founders navigate the challenges of entrepreneurship. Under his leadership, many startups have flourished, resulting in a significant impact on the tech ecosystem. In 2014, Altman was named president of Y Combinator, succeeding Paul Graham. This position has given him a platform to directly influence the future of many promising startups. During his tenure, he implemented several innovative initiatives, including the creation of the Y Combinator Continuity, a growth fund aimed at supporting companies that had already graduated from the accelerator program. His skill in identifying and nurturing talent has been critical to the continued success of Y Combinator. Altman's contribution to the Y Combinator cannot be underestimated. He turned the accelerator into a global driving force, responsible for launching companies that are now worth billions of dollars. His vision and leadership have helped shape the next generation of entrepreneurs and set the standard for success in the startup world. The impact of his work on Y Combinator continues to be felt, with numerous companies crediting his early success to Altman's guidance and support. 3. Vision and mission at OpenAI. As CEO of OpenAI, Sam Altman brought a clear and ambitious vision to the organization. He firmly believes that artificial intelligence, AI, has the potential to solve some of humanity's most complex and pressing problems. Under his leadership, OpenAI's mission is to ensure that AI benefits all of humanity by preventing concentrations of power and promoting the safe and ethical development of advanced technologies. This broad vision reflects his belief that technology should serve the common good. Altman understands that in order to achieve this vision, it is crucial to invest in cutting-edge research and foster a culture of innovation. He encouraged a collaborative approach, where researchers from different disciplines work together to explore new frontiers in AI. This inclusive and diverse work environment is a testament to their commitment to excellence and social responsibility. Altman has also been a vocal advocate for regulatory policies that ensure the safe and fair use of AI, demonstrating his concern for the ethical and social implications of the technology. In addition, Altman's vision for OpenAI involves a seamless integration between AI and other industries. He believes that AI can revolutionize industries such as healthcare, education, and the environment, bringing tangible benefits to society. His leadership at OpenAI is marked by a combination of idealism and pragmatism, where he seeks not only technological advancements, but also a lasting positive impact. This balanced and visionary approach has been crucial in positioning OpenAI as a global leader in artificial intelligence. 4. Accomplishments and achievements at OpenAI. Under Sam Altman's leadership, OpenAI has achieved significant milestones in the field of artificial intelligence. One of the biggest successes was the development of GPT-3, an advanced language model that revolutionized the way we interact with technology. GPT-3 has demonstrated impressive capabilities in natural language processing, allowing for the creation of coherent and contextually relevant texts. This innovation attracted global attention and cemented OpenAI as a pioneer in AI. Another important milestone was the creation of DALL-E, an AI model capable of generating images from textual descriptions. This technology has opened up new possibilities for creativity and artistic expression, showcasing the potential of AI to transcend traditional barriers between disciplines. In addition, OpenAI has released Codex, an AI model that makes programming easier by translating natural language commands into code. These accomplishments highlight OpenAI's ability to drive innovation and turn ideas into reality. In addition to technological innovations, Altman also focused on building strategic partnerships to amplify OpenAI's impact. He has negotiated deals with leading technology companies and academic institutions, fostering collaboration and knowledge sharing. These efforts have not only accelerated OpenAI's progress, but also strengthened the global AI community. The combination of technological achievements and collaborative strategies under Altman's leadership has positioned OpenAI as a transformative force in the digital age. 5. Challenges and controversies. Sam Altman's journey at OpenAI has not been without its challenges and controversies. One of the main challenges faced was the growing concern about the ethics and safety of AI. Altman had to balance the desire for rapid innovation with the need to ensure that the technologies developed were not misused. He has implemented strict guidelines and fostered an open dialogue about the ethical implications of AI, showing his commitment to responsible development. Additionally, Altman has faced criticism over OpenAI's transparency and governance. Some critics have argued that the organization should be more open about its decision-making processes and about the potential impacts of its technologies. In response, Altman reinforced OpenAI's transparency practices by increasing communication with the public and involving stakeholders in discussions about the company's future direction. These actions helped mitigate concerns and strengthen confidence in Altman's leadership. Another significant challenge was the fierce competition in the field of AI. With big tech companies investing heavily in research and development, Altman had to ensure that OpenAI remained at the forefront of innovation. He addressed this challenge by fostering a culture of agility and creativity, encouraging his team to explore new ideas and take calculated risks. His ability to lead amid controversies and challenges highlights his resilience and determination to achieve OpenAI's vision. 6. Future of OpenAI under Sam Altman's leadership. The future of OpenAI under Sam Altman's leadership looks promising and full of potential. Altman has ambitious plans to expand the reach of artificial intelligence across different industries. He is focused on developing technologies that can be integrated into practical applications, bringing tangible benefits to society. Future projects include advancements in AI for healthcare, where the technology can help diagnose diseases early and personalize treatments, improving patient outcomes. In addition, Altman is exploring ways to utilize AI to address environmental issues. OpenAI is investing in research that can help mitigate the effects of climate change, such as developing AI models to predict natural disasters and optimize the use of natural resources. These initiatives reflect Altman's commitment to social and environmental responsibility, showcasing his vision of a future where technology and sustainability go hand in hand. Another crucial aspect of OpenAI's future is the continued evolution of strategic partnerships. Altman believes that collaboration is the key to unlocking the full potential of AI. He plans to strengthen alliances with universities, businesses, and governments to foster innovation and ensure that the benefits of AI are widely distributed. With a clear vision and a well-defined strategy, Altman is poised to take OpenAI to new heights, possibly achieving the status of a trillion-dollar company. 7. Economic and social impact. Sam Altman's leadership at OpenAI has a profound economic and social impact. The AI developed by OpenAI has the potential to transform countless industries, from automating routine tasks to creating new job opportunities in advanced technological fields. Altman sees AI as a tool for increasing productivity and efficiency, which could lead to significant economic growth. The widespread adoption of AI can also reduce operational costs and increase the competitiveness of businesses. Beyond the economic impact, Altman is deeply committed to the societal impact of AI. He believes that technology can be a force for good, helping to solve global problems such as poverty, inequality, and limited access to education and healthcare. OpenAI is developing projects focused on these areas, using AI to create innovative solutions that can improve the quality of life for people around the world. This holistic approach demonstrates Altman's vision of a future where technology is accessible and beneficial to all. However, Altman is also aware of the societal challenges that come with AI adoption. It recognizes the need for robust policies to address issues such as privacy, security, and ethics. Under his leadership, OpenAI is actively involved in discussions on AI regulation and governance, collaborating with legislators and international organizations to establish norms that ensure the safe and fair use of the technology. OpenAI's economic and social impact, guided by Altman's vision, promises to be transformative and far-reaching. 8. Sam Altman's legacy and influence. Sam Altman's legacy in the world of technology and business is already significant and continues to grow. As CEO of OpenAI, he has not only led impressive technological advancements, but also shaped the future of artificial intelligence in a responsible and ethical manner. His innovative and visionary approach has set new standards in the industry, inspiring other leaders and entrepreneurs to follow his example. Altman stands out as a visionary who sees beyond the present, anticipating future needs and opportunities. Altman is also widely recognized for his influence in developing a culture of innovation and collaboration. Their ability to bring diverse talent together and foster an inclusive and creative work environment has been critical to OpenAI's success. He believes that diversity of thought and experience is essential for true innovation. This legacy of inclusive and inspiring leadership is one of his greatest impacts, leaving a lasting mark on every organization he has been involved with. Finally, Altman's influence extends beyond the business world. He is a vocal advocate for social and environmental causes, utilizing his platform and resources to drive positive change. Its commitment to social responsibility and sustainability reflects a vision of leadership that goes beyond profit, focusing on global well-being. Sam Altman's legacy is that of a leader who not only drives technology and business forward, but also pursues a brighter future for all of humanity. What's next for Sam Altman and OpenAI? With each advancement, it not only shapes technology, but also the future of humanity. Are we ready for the changes he is bringing? AI can solve our biggest challenges, but it also brings new questions. How will we deal with the growing power of machines? And what will Altman's role be in this new world? To think about OpenAI's impact is to envision a future where the barriers between science and fiction dissolve. From health to sustainability, Altman is at the center of this revolution. But what really motivates this visionary? Ambition? Altruism? Or something deeper? As he leads the technological race, the world watches with curiosity and expectation. What if Altman's next big idea is already being developed in some secret lab? What if the answers to global challenges are closer than we think? The future is unfolding before our eyes, and Sam Altman is writing the next chapter. Stay tuned, because what's next could change everything.